Okay guys, I'm gonna put the connect the speakers now as the PC is on. I'm gonna connect the speaker from the front. Oh, there you go. That's the noise that comes in. Oh, comes out actually. Well, it's plugged in the front. So I'll unplug it. Oops. Go to the back. Go to the back. Find it here. Oh, the same thing. It doesn't happen when I plug in headphones, but it does when I plug in speakers. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna switch it off, and I'm gonna plug in the monitor through VGA, and then I'll record it again. Actually, it was through VGA. Yeah, VGA. No HDMI is here, so I didn't plug in through HDMI. Just through VGA. Onboard graphic. Yeah, VGA onboard graphic. This is the other graphics card. This is onboard graphic. And the same notes. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna find the HDMI cable and I will plug it through HDMI, and I will unplug this, and still the same thing. There you go. So, yep.